In a world where wealth buys silence, private jets become more than just a luxury. They transform into conduits for smuggling. Consider the recent investigations revealing how elite individuals utilized their private aircraft to transport contraband across borders, eluding authorities with astonishing ease. Authorities often lack resources to monitor these high-flying criminals, enabling them to operate without fear of reprisal. Allegations have surfaced linking notable figures to drug trafficking and even human smuggling, using their jets to bypass rigorous security inspections. While lower-level operatives may face severe penalties, the elite frequently escape unscathed, shielded by wealth and influence.